Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your iPhone to iCloud. It's a straightforward process and it works the same way no matter which iPhone model you're using. Let's jump right in. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in, look at the very top of the screen. You'll see your name right there with your Apple ID info. Tap on that section to continue. Now you're in your Apple ID settings. Scroll down just a bit until you see iCloud. It's usually around the fifth option. Go ahead and tap on it. On the iCloud page, you'll see a few different sections. The main one we're focusing on is iCloud Backup. Tap that to open it. First things first, make sure the toggle for backup this iPhone is turned on. If you want to be able to back up when you're not on Wi-Fi, you can also enable backup over mobile data. That's optional, but good to know. Now, before we actually start a backup, take a moment to scroll back up and look at the section labeled Saved to iCloud. This is where you can choose exactly what gets backed up. Go through the list apps like Messages, Calendar, Contacts, and any third-party apps you use and toggle on anything that isn't already enabled. This ensures all your important data gets included. Once you've selected everything you want to back up, head back to iCloud Backup. You'll see an option that says Backup Now. Tap it, and your iPhone will begin creating a fresh backup right away. It might take a few minutes depending on how much data you have. When it's done, you'll see a timestamp showing when the last backup finished. Now, anytime you set up a new iPhone and sign in with the same Apple ID, you'll be able to restore everything: apps, settings, messages, the works, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.